Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete an API key in Google AI Studio. The first thing I want you to do is just log in to your Google AI Studio, and then here from the dashboard, you're going to either click here on Dashboard on the left-hand panel, click on Dashboard, and then here you'll see API keys, click on it, and you just identify the API key you want to delete, or you can click here as well, get an API key, and you'll be redirected to the same page basically. You find the API key that you want to go ahead and delete, okay? And what you do here on the right hand side, you'll see these three dots, okay? It says view more actions. I want you to click on this. You get a drop down, and then right here you'll see delete key, okay? And I want you to click on this one right here, and as you can see, it will say delete API key, and be careful because all the apps or services using this key will actually stop working, and this cannot be undone. So if you're okay with that, hit delete, and as you can see, it's deleting the API key, and it is basically done in just a second. There you go, and that is how to delete an API key in Google AI Studio.